what you can prepare for SARS in order for you to claim home expenses prior to tax season. You have to have a dedicated space for your work from home. So that means a room that is an office. It cannot be a shared space in terms of your living area. It has to be a dedicated space. And with that dedicated space, you have to have a picture of that. So it has to be an office set up that you're going to take a picture of. And another thing that you need to prepare is the proof of expenses. Your rental, your electricity, have those invoices and statements available for you, so you can start to prepare now. You need to have a letter from your employer, a signed letter, and that is going to confirm on a letterhead, that is going to confirm that you are indeed working from home. So you need to have that available before you even claim those expenses, because you will be audited and you will be penalized if you don't have that information prior you claiming for those expenses. So let's talk about how you claim for the expenses. You have to determine the total amount, square meters of your place, and then also, let's say for example, you say my apartment is 100 square meters, and then the dedicated office is 20 square meters. So 20 divided by 100, so that means that's 20% of the floor plan. So that means that with the total rental amounts that you're going to be adding, for example, so say your rentals amount to, you add up your rentals and the total goes up to 100,000. I'm just using simple amounts for you to understand. Then of that 100,000, which is the total rental that you have paid over the 12 months, you are going to only claim 20% from SARS. So you're going to say 100,000 divided, multiplied by 20%, and that's the amount that you can only claim from SARS. Of course, you're not going to be paid that exact amount. And then my electricity that I have paid comes up to 20,000. Let's use simple amounts. And then because my space occupies 20% of the entire floor plan, I'm going to claim 20% of that. And of course, every other expense that you've incurred, you're going to claim 20% of it. So that's how you're going to be claiming that. So have those things prepared.